Would you like to develop online apps with only a little coding or no coding required? You can do this using Microsoft's Power Apps. You can host your data in an online database called the Dataverse, or use a custom connector to connect to your own online data. You can create a basic app using a template and customize it using PowerFX formulas, an extended form of Excel formulas. What's the cost? You can develop Power Apps using Microsoft's Power Apps Developer Plan for free. A full business license is not that expensive as well. You can find out more about how you can create your own Power Apps, automated flows, and more by using the syllabuses in Microsoft's official PL900 and PL100 exams. For a more structured way of learning, please click the link to this video or go to my website. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Thank you for watching and keep learning.